The Healing Circle is a presentation of the Marquette University Law School and its Restorative Justice Initiative. It is a moving documentary that brings you face to face with the victims of sexual abuse by clergy and those struggling to rebuild the broken trust and regain a foothold in their faith. The program takes you inside a healing circle conducted at the Marquette University Law School in November of 2006 by Distinguished Professor of Law, Janine Geske.
My work here at the law school is to teach mediation and to facilitate dialogues between victims and offenders of various kinds of crimes. In what seems like a former life, I was a lawyer and a circuit court judge. I also had the privilege of serving on the Wisconsin Supreme Court. Perhaps my most challenging work to date has been as a mediator of claims made by survivors of sexual abuse by clergy against the Milwaukee Archdiocese. Most of the time, those mediations were between the victims and representatives of the respective archdiocese or religious order. Usually they involve negotiating some type of financial settlement. But the sessions also gave abuse victims a chance to tell the church authorities what happened to them and how those actions impacted their entire lives. Those sessions gave me the idea for a healing circle that included a larger group. We brought together victims, an offender priest, pastors and staff from area parishes, the Archbishop of Milwaukee, therapists, and lay people for a session that we videotaped to share with you, with parishes, seminaries, victims groups, and other community organizations. Our goal was to help the larger community reflect on and better understand the breadth and depth of the harm stemming from the sexual abuse scandal. This tape is an edited version of that 4-hour dialogue.
Now available on DVD, the documentary features an introduction by the Most Reverend Timothy Dolan, the Archbishop of New York.
Welcome, everybody. Thank you for taking the time to view this program about a very delicate topic, the pain inflicted as a result of sexual abuse of minors by clergy. It's very important for us all to come face to face with the victims of these horrific acts. By doing so, we connect to their pain and to the opportunities we have to support them in healing. Together we can, as the church, call on the healing power of God. We've all been taught to take our burdens and our sorrows to the Lord for healing, for help, and for consolation. I know that this scandal has shaken all of us and tested us. An important trust has been violated, and the pain has been overwhelming for victims, their families, and loved ones.
The Healing Circle is receiving national attention. Diane Knight, chair of the National Review Board of the United States Conference of Catholic Bishops, has given her endorsement. She says, quote, "The individual stories in this DVD are compelling, and they are a powerful springboard for meaningful discussion that can extend the healing process in all of us. This is a must-see for anyone who cares deeply about the impact of the clergy abuse scandal." End quote. The Healing Circle is available through the website healingcirclegroup.com.